Okay, so I told you I was going to pop in and out as necessary. So as we get into this drawing here, for the first time we're going to have to use more than one work plane. Right, so far we've only dealt with sketch 1. Now we're going to have to address sketch 1 and sketch 2. So if I come over here and I go to part, I'm going to start a new part, and then what I like to do right off the beginning is I like to create a new sketch, put it on here, go to finish sketch, and then hit save. I'm going to go to File, Save As. I'm going to name it ISO 3. I already have an ISO 3, but I'm just going to save over it. Okay, so you would have to name it ISO 3. I'm going to kick back down to the size it was, split our screen with it. And now I'm going to start to draw this object. I'm going to go back in, edit my sketch. And I'm going to draw. So let's go line. Oh, we missed our mark. Line, we'll go up 2. And we'll go over 2. So if you notice, I'm drawing this back section. I'm ignoring the front section. And you'll see more about that in a second. I'm also going to shrink that down a little bit. Oh, looks like that's as thin as it'll get. All right, so we'll go down here. 1, out, 1, down, 1, and then close. Then we'll go to Finish 2D Sketch. And I'll hold my mouse ball down so I can pan it where I want to go. If you didn't notice that yet, if you hold your mouse ball down, it brings the little hand up, and that allows you to move things around. So grab my little mouse ball. So now we're going to go and we're going to extrude just like we did in the last video. Click here, click extrude. My offset distance is already set correctly to 1 inch. You see there's the 1 inch right there. So I'll say okay. Now I have this whole back half. So now I have to put another sketch plane down. So if I go up here and I hit sketch, start 2D sketch, rather than clicking up here or anywhere else, I'm going to click right on the face of the object I want to put it on. So we click there. Then I'm going to go to create and line. I'm going to come up 1, go over 1, down 1, close, finish 2D sketch, extrude, say OK. And now I have my object, right? So that's the best way you want to do it for 2 bits. And if you look also, now we have extrusion 1 and extrusion 2. Inside of extrusion 2 is sketch 1. So if I had to make an edit to just one of these 2 sketches and I didn't know which was which, right? So if I come up here and hold my mouse over it, you'll see if I hold my mouse over extrusion 1, it shows me, it highlights extrusion 1. This highlights extrusion 2. If I hit the mouse, you'll see it'll show me what sketch 2 looks like. If I hold my mouse over sketch 1, you'll see it shows me what sketch 1 looks like. So if I needed to make an edit to something, I could go back in here, go to edit sketch, right? Change this to 1.5. Whoops. I think I just... Oh, I hit finish sketch somehow. No? Okay. Change this to 1.5, and it would change. If I go finish sketch, it'll automatically update my extrusion. Now, that's not what I want, so I'm going to go back. All right, Control-Z a couple of times, finish sketch, and now we're good. But so that's how we're going to put 2 different work planes on. If you have any questions, obviously come up and ask, but otherwise, good luck.